Hello guys, in this video I will try to speak about recommendations on the second year of trading stocks. We have done the first part, which is the first year, and I have explained a lot of things what will happen to you on the first year. Most of the time the first year you have false ideas about trading and investing. Okay? So you have big questions. How the people make money investing stocks, or how do they make money trading? And you begin discovering a lot of stuff like trading stocks, trading penny stocks, trading options, futures, forex. You will commodities. You will have a lot of information to process, but you want to rush things. You want the money, but you don't work in order to get the money. Okay? You think that trading and investing is like gambling. Someone sent me an email asking me how to trade stocks. Question. It's so hard. I told him I have done 450 videos and I'm still teaching. I'm still explaining. How can I tell you how to make money in stocks in one sentence or in paragraph? Okay? It's so big. So you choose what you want to do. So it is simple question, but it is complex. Complex, it means you should know a lot of things in order to reach your goal. Okay? So the first year, as I told you, a lot of problems. And in the second year, in the first year I say try to protect your money, not to lose that much. At least you will go to second year, because most of the people, they say, most of the traders, they lose their money from 6 months to 1 year. They lose their account, they shut it, because the Security Exchange Commission got all the information about how many accounts there are, how many traders there are. Okay? And you see that a lot of traders come, they open an account, and by the end of the year a lot of accounts has been shut, because the people, they don't trade anymore. They have no money. Okay? They have just a dream to make money. It's like a dream to get or to hit the jackpot. Okay? This is the dreams in the first year. Now when you begin to trade, you see that it is so hard to make money. It's not as easy as they told you. And then you begin to see what's the problem. Why I am losing money while some others professional, they make money. Okay? So the second year you begin having this habit of looking at all your trades. If you win a trade, you try to see why you win this trade. You try to see if you have done something else. Could you make more money from this trade? For example, a trade. Okay? I will tell you just an example. It happens always. A stock was $10, or let's say $10. We have short trend, it goes up to 20. But it goes down to 17. After a few weeks, it turned into a range, and then from 20, it goes to 50. Now, you buy the stock. Either you make money or you don't make. It's not a problem. But after a while, you check this stock again. Maybe you see it in the news. Maybe you read about it, or you read about this company, and you find the stock that you bought at 10. You sold it at 20 or 18 or 17. now it's 50. You say to yourself, how I buy this stock and I leave it. Okay, it was an opportunity that you get. If you make some money, it's good, but still there are some stocks, and most of the big stocks that go wild, they don't go for a few days, they go for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years progress. Each year they go 300-400%. Okay, and all the big traders, they invest, especially the investors, they invest in those kind of stocks that go so wild. Okay, so take your trades, either those trades that you win, and the losing trades, you try to figure out why you lose that trade. Is it because you don't know how to choose good stocks? Is it the time? It means you don't know which time to buy it, which time to sell it. Or is it money management? You put all your money in one stock and you lose 20%, 30%, 40%, so your account go down because of that stock. Now, I'm telling you, it is so hard to go to your trades. Why is that? It is psychological. Since you are a beginner and this is your second year, you are going to intermediate level, you feel the same thing. You feel that you don't like to see losing trades. You don't want to check on them. Okay, you say, I lost like the other guy who sent me an email. I lost 70%, 75% of the stock price. Should I wait? He's still like, do you see, like, I will give you something else. Mixed martial arts. When someone is KO and he's KO, you know, he faints, he gets a good punch or a good kick to his face, and he stands up again, and he's dizzy, he doesn't know where he is, and he wants to fight again. This is when a trader lose a lot of money in one trade. Instead of stopping everything, exit the trade and try to see why you lose that much money in a stock. It is useless. I'm telling you, it is useless, because if you continue doing the same mistake, the same strategy that you have, and it doesn't work, you will have the same result of the first year to the result of the second year. Okay? Anyone do mistakes. Professional traders do mistakes, but they are the professional. Since they are very, very disciplined and they have a good strategy they rely on, so they do small mistakes, but not big mistakes like a beginner. A beginner, he buys all his money a stock, especially a penny stock, with $1. It goes to 20 cents, and he is waiting for the stock to go up again. Let's give him 1 month again. From 20 cents, it was $1. Now it was 20 cents. Let's give him let's give him 1 month, and we try to see. It goes to 17 cents. Oh, it's not that good, but I give you another month, another month, until it becomes 1 cent. And when he see in his account, he find no money, and the broker asked him, okay, you have no money, bring some money, or after a while we shut your account because you don't trade anymore, you don't have money, bring more money, as they say. Okay, so the second year, if you want to be serious, try to check your trades. Any trade you do, take it aside even if you win money, either winning trades or losing money, they are the same. Because if you win the trade, you try to see, for example, you get $500 or $1,000 from a trade. Okay, you buy a stock for a few days or 1 month or whatever. You have some money, you have some profit. You try to see this trade. Have you entered in the right moment? Is your stop loss is good? It means you know how to do it, the stop loss. And did you exit in the right time? Okay, because some people, because they don't know how to trade, what they do, they buy a stock at $10. It goes to $11 after 2 days or 1 or 3 or 4 or 1 week. They think that this $1 a share is $100 is too much. They say, okay, I'm getting too much money. It's $100. And the stock, they exit the stock. Okay, they have a small profit. But the problem is that after 1 week or 2, the stock with $10, it goes to 20. Instead of having 100% of profit, he gets just 10% or $100 if the stock is $10. Okay, so the second year, if you are going to intermediate level, you begin to make money, not in each trade, but you should begin to make money. If you are not making money in the second year, it means that you are doing the same mistakes as the first year. And January is here. Try to take any stock that you bought in January or in December. Okay, have time, stop trading for a while, take some trades and analyze them, study them, because it is not the market that has a problem. It is you that have a problem. The market is always going up and down. This is from 19th century until now. It's the same. Some professionals make money, beginners they lose money. This is the same from the beginning until now. People who are gambling, they lose money. People who are serious about the business, they make money. Okay? It's the same. Because we are human, we have the same mistakes. Those people who correct their mistakes, they can make money. Those people who still stubborn, they don't want to change. Believe me, they will do the same mistakes and they will stay in the same level and they will do the year again. Like when you are at school, elementary school or something, you are in first grade, but you learn nothing. So at the end of the year, the principal, okay, this child is learning nothing, so we should retain him again for the first year or first grade, and all his friends go to second grade because they learn. Okay, trading is the same. It means each year you should learn, and it is a process all your life. It is not a professional trader, he stops thinking about trade. No, he is always searching for opportunities in the market. For example, when you are trading, you should always search for other stocks. Don't stay with the same stocks, because sometimes when someone makes a trade in a stock and he makes money, he thinks that this stock will give him more money again and again and again. It could be, but it's not true all the time. Except when you do day trading and you want to day trade the stock each day or okay? So correcting your mistakes is the basic for any learning process, especially in trading stocks. And then you should look for opportunities. It means if your strategy is very limited, try to find other things. Okay? If your strategy is just, you are looking just for penny stocks, change. Look for stocks that are $7, $10, $15. Even if you don't buy that much, you buy 50 shares or 80 shares, or it doesn't matter. The most important thing is you change what you are doing. Take a little risk from your account, because your account should grow in the second year. Whatever is the percentage, 10%, 5%, 6%, 50%, whatever. But your account should begin to grow up and up and up at the end, until the end of the year. Okay? Even in the first year you are not making money, or you lose a little money. This is normal, because you don't know. You can just make money. That's why this thing of learning always is something very, very important in trading. Okay, that's why you can read books, you can go online and search for other ideas from other traders, even though they will not tell you how to make money. But when you have an idea, for example, for me, one time I showed an opportunity of earnings, how to make money from earnings. Now, one of my subscribers, when I did the video in the same day, in the same day, and the earnings will come after the market close. That guy, he buys some stocks, some shares. He followed them after the news. The news were good, and he bought. Since he bought before, he see that the stock is going wild. He gets $4 or $5 for 20 minutes trading. That's it. And then he sold. He doesn't want to stay until tomorrow. He sold, and he sent me an email, and he told me, thank you for giving this opportunity. I have never thought that earnings could make money like this. He just sees an opportunity. Now you can do it, but be careful. It's not easy, so it doesn't work always. That's why trading, it's not science, it is an art. You should make the difference. Okay? You can go and you study painting all your life, but if you don't have a talent to paint, believe me, you will be a teacher, but never a painter. Okay? You try to make the difference. You go and you study, and you have all the degree that the university or the school art or something. You study wherever you want, but if you don't have the talent, you can't make it. You can be big, but you can teach, which is always something good, because you like painting, but you are not talented to do. You have no talent. Okay, so you study and you teach. That's it. It's like for singing. If you have a bad voice, and when you begin to sing, the people flee. They don't like what you sing. You know, even if you go to school, you study 10 years of how to sing, but you don't have a talent. Okay? It's the same as trading. Trading is an art. You should take it as an art, not science. Not you do this, you do that, and you make money. No. It means it needs that you look for opportunities, look for stocks every day, correct your mistakes, progress. That's why I told you that to be a professional, you need 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Someone told me, 4 years, 5 years to make money. I say, okay, if you want to be a doctor, physician, engineer, how many years you need? how much money you spend on your college. Okay? For example, if you want to be a doctor, you need maybe 200,000 or 250,000 loan to begin studying 4 or 5 years, or the years that you should study. So you have a loan in order to, it means you spend money for your education, and you stay that long in order to do, to be a doctor, to be licensed to be a doctor. Trading is a business, is the same thing. It's not just you come, you watch a video how to trade, and tomorrow you will be a professional trader. It doesn't happen like this. And stop thinking that trading is like gambling. Okay? Trading is never gambling. But if you think trading is gambling, so it is gambling. For you, it is. And it will be gambling because you will not make money. It's as if you are always buying tickets. Tickets are stocks. You buy and you lose. You buy and you lose. You buy. Sometimes you win a little bit, but you don't have a jackpot. So always you lose. Okay? So second year is the year when you have this transition from beginner to intermediate level. Okay? So you should work hard, revise, study your strategy. If you have a strategy and you are using it to search for stocks, according to your strategy, the signal when to buy, when to sell, where to put your stop loss, money management, a lot of stuff. So if you begin to understand all these things, you will see that your account will grow by force of learning. Okay? You will begin making money, even if it's not that much money, but you begin to take money from the market. It means you are no longer considered as beginner. You are intermediate level. Okay? But still you are doing some big mistakes, even if you are an intermediate level, because sometimes you say, okay, in this stock I will not use stop loss. I am sure the stock will go up and it will make money. I have made money before with the other stock, which is the same as this. Here you do the big mistake of dropping stop loss. And when you drop the stop loss, maybe the next day is a sell off, and you lose your shirt. Believe me, some stocks, I see some stocks. You see the stock that I showed you before, that a guy sent it to me, or I showed you in the video. It was 62. Next morning is 13. $62, it goes to $13 in the next morning. You see, if you don't put full stop, what will happen to you? All your money is gone. Okay? So, hope this video helps you understand if you are in the second year of trading. Even if you are in the first year, you can use the same tactics. It means you try to correct your mistakes, try to use stop loss, try to do money management. Don't buy only one stock with all your account. Try to do a lot of 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 stocks at the same time. Some go up, some go down, so you make some money. Although it's not big money, but your account is growing better and better and better. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just ask.